Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add tabs on Smartsheet, a useful technique that can greatly enhance your project management experience. You might be wondering why Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in tab feature like the ones you find in Excel or Google Sheets. Well, don't worry. Even though Smartsheet lacks this feature, there are creative ways to mimic it. By organizing your content across multiple views, you can achieve a streamlined workflow that keeps your projects well organized and easy to navigate. Let's explore how you can make this happen. To start with, you'll want to open your Smartsheet Workspace. While Smartsheet doesn't have a direct tabs feature, we can simulate this functionality using individual sheets. This method allows you to create the illusion of tabs by effortlessly switching between various sheets for different datasets or project elements. Now, here's how you can do it. First, locate the main Smartsheet dashboard and click on the Add button. This is your gateway to creating new sheets. Once you click on it, a few options will appear. Choose the Sheet option, which will allow you to create a new sheet. After selecting Sheet, you'll encounter several format options, including Grid, Gantt, Timeline, and Board. Each format offers a unique way to visualize and organize your information. Choose the one that best fits your current task or the type of data you're working with. For instance, if you're managing tasks, the Gantt chart might give you a better visual timeline. Once you've picked your desired format, it's time to name your new sheet. Here, you can get creative. Rename it to Tab 1, or choose a name that represents the category or type of data it will hold. This naming acts as a label, similar to what you would expect from a traditional tab, and ensures your project remains organized and clear. With your first sheet set up, you can continue building out your Smartsheet workspace by adding another sheet. Simply return to the Add button, click it once more, and select Sheet again. Follow the same procedure as before to choose the format that best fits your needs for this new sheet. For example, if the second dataset requires a different perspective, you might want to try using the Timeline or Board view for a fresh look. And again, don't forget to rename this second sheet to Tab 2 or another descriptive title that clearly reflects its content or function. By creating multiple sheets in this manner, you simulate tab navigation within Smartsheet. This approach enhances your ability to manage complex projects by dividing information into manageable sections. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to use different formats for various types of data, all within the same project environment. This can be especially helpful when dealing with diverse data needs. There you have it. You've learned how to mimic the functionality of tabs in Smartsheet by creating and naming separate sheets for different parts of your project. This simple yet effective workaround can significantly improve your organization and productivity within the platform. Give it a try, and you might be surprised by how much it transforms your workflow. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to add tabs on Smartsheet. If you want more videos like how to add tabs on Smartsheet, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.